Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add more lives, or like how to get more lives in Royal Match. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your gaming hub and launch your Royal Match app. So once you simply launch your Royal Match, you will end up in this kind of interface. So as you can see here, currently you have full lives. But if you simply tap on it, then you can see that there are plenty of other lives that you can add. So for this, you need to first of all finish your current lives and you can simply add them, or you can simply go and tap on your team. And to get more life, you can simply tap on the request button. So once you tap on request, you will be asking for more lives from your teammates. So you can even help them by tapping on the help option, or you can simply claim gifts and claim lives from your team. So this way you can get more lives in Royal Match. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.